what's up? This is Suel Raman from I Love Travel. Welcome to another brand new video. And today I am in the very interesting place. This is Future Museum in Dubai. So this was opened by only this month, like few weeks ago, 1 or 2 weeks. So is inside of the Future Museum is very interesting thing is there. So we are going to show you about the future of the technology, how it will be look like in the world. And this is most beautiful building in the earth. You can see how it look like is covered by only the language. And this is the first building covered by only one language, is Arabic. This building is built by eye chef. Just have a look. This is look like human eye. So now I'm going to inside. I'll show you how it will be look like the next 50 years in the world. So you can see, stay with me, enjoy the video. And before you come here, you have to book the ticket. Its price is 145 dirham. You can buy it by online. You can book it by online. So enjoy the video. Once you enter the building, you can see the same look and feel as maintained inside at the sea outside with the Arabic calligraphy. When you look around, it's really make you feel like you are somewhere in the future. For the next step, you have to wait because of his long queue. You can see that, and then if we'll go upstairs with the elevator. Those are the elevators, so we can go upstairs with this. There is a stairs, so you can see there is no single pillar also with the stair. This is also unbelievable. For the entrance, you need to collect the device. One device will be here. So which ticket you buy, you need to scan here. This is the scanner. So there is a QR code. If you will scan it, and then ticket will that one device will become here. So it's like watch belt device. You need to wear it. Just have a look. This is the device. This is the elevator. It's designed like a spaceship. It goes to all the way up, and you feel like you are in space about to connect to the International Space Station. You can see outside, that's Dubai in 2071. From the space we see the Earth. On the 5th floor there is an actual NASA approved design of a space station. It's an interactive walk through space that shows you our solar system, International Space Station, and what it means to become a multiplanetary species. I don't think I will ever make it to space, but this as close as it gets to feeling like I am actually in space. Now I am going back to Earth from the International Space Station. I am going to land on this island. This island is created only for the rocket launch and land back to ground. On the 4th floor, there is an actual build-up of a rainforest with over 2,400 species to remind us that in the future we have to take care of nature and live with it. These are like 2,400 species. Some of them survived and some of them didn't survive. But just walking through, this is like a surreal experience. Now we can see the 2071's climate. Is how it look like. Just have a look. Next, the observatory. Just have a look. Now I'm in third floor, the Hill Institute. You can see this is near Sheikh Zayed Road in Dubai. Burj Khalifa is no more longer tallest building in the world. You can see there is lots of tallest building taller than Burj Khalifa. There is not much of car on the road. Mostly people are using drones for travels. There is a hyperloop also. It means ultra high speed ground transport system for passenger. Now I introduce to movement therapy. It's feel like you are walking on sand, but it's not made of sand. Now I am in second floor. This is today and tomorrow, present technology and future technology. You can see this is the driverless electric transports. This is the gravity jet jacket, which one you can wear and then you can fly yourself. This is the robotic delivery transport. It can deliver it to on your door. This is robo dog and robo arms. Robotic ant. This is robo bird. This is the best photo shoot part in the future of the museum. It's very close to Emirates Tower and between Sheikh Zayed Road. Future of the museum, you can come by metro, is very close to the metro station. Now I am in a first floor. This entire floor engaged just for children, I mean for future heroes. This is learning interact space, nourishes their mind and their body. So guys, how was the future of Dubai and future of the world? I hope you people enjoy it. Because of this future of the world 2071, when I was inside of the building, this building, it was 2071. Nothing past, present and future they were showing us. So how it was, just let me know with your wonderful comments, and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you with the another video, another place. Goodbye. Stay safe, stay healthy.